This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to limit the background processes on your Samsung tablet or phone or device. Just go to the top right and go to Settings right here. Tap this. I'm going down to About Tablet. Tap that. And go to Software Information. Go to Build Number and tap this 5 times. Then you can see Develop Mode unlocked right here. We can tap this. Going down, and there should be an option under here. So we can limit it. So look for background, something background. And we can just scroll on down. And it's near the bottom. So we're just about there. And it says background process limit. We can tap this. And then we can go to one of these options. And we can, at most, maybe 2 or 3 processes would be fine. And if you have a slower tablet with limited amount of memory or something like that, this might help you a lot if you just limit the background processes, maybe 2 or something like that, or 2 or 3. Also, going over to device care, this is for only Samsung tablets, but you can look for different memory options on your computer, your tablet or phone. We can go to memory right here, and there's an option for RAM Plus. This will extend the RAM on your tablet or phone. I was able to extend from 2 or 3 gigabytes all the way up to 6, and this made my tablet run quite a bit faster. So if you have about 8 gigabytes of RAM, you probably notice your tablet does not slow down a whole lot, even if you have a lot of background processes open. So we can just go to close all. So look for some sort of RAM boost mode, RAM expansion, RAM plus, and just enable the maximum amount of RAM you can get. And then your tablet should run quicker. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.